first grade friends. Today we are going to write sentences with singular and plural nouns. We are going to determine if there is one or more nouns, and we're going to do this so that we can become better writers. Remember, we've talked about nouns this week. A noun names a thing, a person, a place, or an animal. A singular noun names only one. A plural noun names more than one. Okay, here are some different singular nouns. That means there's only one. One cherry, one farm, one mouse, one box, one leaf. On this side, these are plural. That means there are more than one. Two or more. 2 cherries, 2 farms, 2 mice, 2 boxes, and 2 leaves. A singular noun is a word that shows that there is only one object. For example, there is only one car. Plural means that there is more than one object. In this picture, there is more than one bird. So that means there are birds. They added an S to show that the word means more than one bird. Most plural words all end in S or ES. Now we're going to practice adding a word to the beginning in front of our singular or plural noun to help us decide if it is singular or plural. Let's look at the word men. Men tells that there is more than one man. So what word could I use in front of men to make it mean more than one? I could say 3 men. 3 men. 3 means more than one. Men means more than one. So I have the correct word in front of the noun. Let's look at book. Does that mean one or more than one? Okay, so what word would I need to use in front of book to make it mean only one book? I could use the book. Oh, yep. The book. The can mean one or more than one. But the book makes sense. What about rug? Is that one or more than one? It's only one, so I could say a rug. A rug was on the floor. I could use a because that means one, and rug means one. One rug. What about stars? Stars, is that singular or plural? Does that mean one or more than one? More than one, that's right, because there's an S added to the word star. So what word could I use in front of stars that also means there is more than one star? Could I say 1 stars? No, because one does not mean more than one. I need a word that means more than one. Well, since there's too many to count, we could use the word many. Many stars. We learned that when we were talking about adjectives. How many stars? Many. So many talks about more than one star. What about stamps? Is that singular or plural? It is singular. It is plural because there is an S at the end of the word stamps. This means there is more than one stamp. Mom needed how many stamps? Mom needed 2 stamps to mail the letter. 2 is more than one, right? 2. Yes. So 2 means more than one. Stamps means more than one stamp, so that is correct. 2 stamps. What about cat? Does that mean one or more than one? Cat is only one cat. Now we've already used the and we've already used a, so what's another word we could use to mean only one cat? We could use the word that. That cat. So I could say that cat. I'm talking about only one cat because I'm talking about a specific cat. There is no S at the end of cat, and that means one. I wouldn't say that cats. Okay, so that cat makes sense and I could use that in a sentence, which is what you are going to do today. You're going to use these two words in a sentence. This word is dog and this word is trees. I need you to write a sentence with the word dog and draw a picture. I need you to write a sentence with the word trees and draw a picture. And then you're going to take a picture of your sentences and your pictures and turn them into your Google Classroom. At the top, there is a word bank. These are some words that you can use in your sentences. There's they, are, tall, and sit. You have to use the correct word in the sentence so that it makes sense. If you said they dog, would that make sense? No. You need to make sure you're using a word that helps you know if this is singular or plural. Okay, they have to make sense. They have to agree with each other. Okay, so when you are finished with your assignment, take a picture and turn it in, but make sure you have written number 1 and number 2 written on the lines. Use your best handwriting. Use capital letters at the beginning, punctuation at the end, and finger spaces between your words. Some of you are getting much better at using finger spaces. So let's just review what we did today. We reviewed what nouns were: person, place, thing, or animal. A singular noun means one. A plural noun means more than one. And we talked about what words we could use with a singular noun or a plural noun that makes sense. Then you wrote 2 sentences in your journal, one with a singular noun and one with a plural noun. And you drew pictures to go with your sentences. And then you took a picture of it and you turned it in. That's all for today, boys and girls. I hope you have a great weekend. Bye.